So we are diving into this beautiful immersive painting that captured the quiet village life. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we are starting this painting with the dull blue for the sky. This is not your typical bright blue, it's muted, giving the transition feel between afternoon and evening. Now let's blend it some yellow and orange near the horizon to create a soft glowing sun effect. Add a touch of white to soften the edges and make the light feel natural. In the background we are creating a small hill with a muddy effect using earthy tones like burnt sienna and ochre and blue to give it that natural textures look, and this hill will act as a subtle divider between the sky and the foreground. So now let's bring the foreground to life, and we are covering this area with lush green. Think about that vibrant grass and different textures of grass in the village. Use different shades of green to add the depth and make it feel alive. So here come to the star of the painting, the big immersive tree. Start with the dark brown for the trunk and branches, then add a layer of green for the leaves and using different textures for the tree. So under the tree we are adding 3 goats resting peacefully, using white, brown and black to paint their furs, and these goats are owned by a villager, so they are just chilling after a long day, as you can see in the painting. To show the presence of human, we are adding a small path on the right side, using a mix of brown and grey to create a dirt path that shows the distance and leads into the distance. These little details add so much story to the painting. It tells us that this is alive and a peaceful village. And there you have it, a beautiful painting that captures the beauty of peaceful village. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.